Caprese spaghetti is a summer first course. Let's make them together. Cook the spaghetti in plenty of salted water. Wash and cut the tomatoes into large chunks. Place them in a bowl and set aside. Cut the mozzarella into large chunks as well. Combine it with the tomatoes. Season with fresh hand-chopped basil. Add oregano and salt. Sprinkle pepper on top too. Top with extra virgin olive oil. Mix the seasoning well. Drain the spaghetti. Add them to the seasoning and put in another drizzle of oil. Mix again and plate. Let the spaghetti rest for about 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.